Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So for those who are still trying to decide or thinking whether to buy our bundle package course wherein you get the digital product selling course plus the multiple sources of income online course or still thinking kung bilhin na lang separately, well, first reason why you should buy our bundle course is for you to save money, okay? So it's less capital on your part to invest in these two online courses because you will just have to pay around 3,499 pesos for you to enroll in these two courses. Kasi sa bundle package course namin, you will get two courses na. The digital product selling online course plus the multiple sources of income online course for moms. Okay? So aside from that, syempre marami kang matututunan in both of these courses. But at the same time, here are some of the reasons also why you should buy the bundle course. Unang-una na, buy this course if you have a need to earn additional income and build a steady stream of multiple sources of income. Buy this course also if you see yourself building your own online businesses and if you want to learn on how to start your different business opportunities and income generating ideas online. And also for you to have the potential to earn 5 to 6 digits daily or weekly. And it's also a one-time payment only. So isang beses mo lang na kailangan i-purchase ang ating bundle package course. It's also one-time setup para makapag-enroll ka dito sa ating mga online courses na to. And then you can work from home or from anywhere if you follow this online course on how to set up your online businesses and at the same time how to create multiple sources of income, especially for moms. You can do this part-time or full-time, depende sa time management mo. Less hassle compared to other businesses if you're building this kind of businesses, lalo na it's online. No shipping fee, no packaging of products involved in this kind of business, and then you can work your own hours. You will also learn and earn at the same time kasi 'di ba when you learn, you earn more, or when you learn more, you earn more. Easy to set up and easy to manage and in demand ngayon ng mga digital products. I'm sure nakikita nyo naman kung gaano ka in demand yan sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, even sa YouTube, you'll see a lot of people selling their own digital products na din. And of course, maraming interesado at hindi pa saturated the market because we've just started now here in the Philippines to introduce digital product selling business and at the same time creating your own digital product. So if you're still thinking or trying to decide whether to go for the bundle course, I hope this video helped you to decide to go for the bundle course. Purchase our bundle course package para mas makatipid ka because you will be saving a lot and at the same time, you will really be learning a lot and it's a good combination of two courses. Learning about digital products and then combining it in learning how to create multiple sources of income online, especially for moms like you in whatever season you're in, whether you're a work from home mom, a stay at home mom, or a single working mom, this will definitely help you in earning additional income. And what's good about purchasing our bundle package course is that you can also resell this course or the digital product selling course and the multiple sources of income online course and you can get value for your money. So for those who wants to purchase our bundle course that includes the digital product selling online course and multiple sources of income for moms online course, just click the link on my TikTok profile if you are on TikTok, but if you are watching this from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and click the bundle course, digital product selling and multiple sources of income for moms, the one that you're seeing on your screen. If you have any questions or any concerns or any inquiries, you can contact me on my contact details that you're seeing below so that I can help you or assist you in purchasing our online courses. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group where you can join and you can interact or connect with other moms who are also on their way of building multiple sources of income. And you can get ideas as well or engage with them so that we could build up and encourage one another as moms in starting our online businesses and creating multiple sources of income. So I'm looking forward to see you in our Facebook group community for Wealthy Moms Club and also looking forward in you purchasing our online courses that will definitely help you as a mom and as someone who wants to really get started in putting up their own online businesses. Thank you and God bless.